Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain?
Hi everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my classic size happy planner. I am planning for the week of July 19th through the 25th. Notice that little sticker. The 25th is my birthday. I'll be 50 years old. Wow, that's a lot. But anyway, I am planning for the week. I've got a really busy week with school starting back again. I don't know if I said the 18th or the 19th, but it is the week of the 19th. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these pages off of the disc. This week I am using the Wild Style sticker book. This is the new sticker book from the Wild Style collection from the Happy Planner. So I am very excited to finally be able to use this book. So I tell you what, I am going to speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. everyone, that is it. I'm going to put these back on the disc and see what it looks like. I really like this Wild Style book. I love the colors. That peach and black, I think it really looks good. All right. So there it is. And I love it. I kind of love it. And this, again, this is the new Wild Style book, which is the shades in this book are different from the original Wild Style. So, but I really like this one. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.